So dear students, I'm back with a new tutorial. So I'll open Excel. So last time I told you about this assignment in which you have learned how to do total and percentage. This time I have added two more columns, remarks and grade. In remarks, what I want, now these are for the special students. If any student is getting greater than 90 marks, okay, if any student is getting greater than 90 marks, then excellent should be written as remarks in front. Okay, so what is the formula to write this? Simply, it's very simple. What you have to do, first of all, as you know, is equal to sign. Okay, there is one formula. If we will write if, then bracket start. Please follow as I am writing. Please see this tutorial very nicely. If bracket, then what is the cell? This is H2. So this I will take is H2 greater than 90. Then what should happen? Excellent should appear. So I'll give bracket, sorry, comma, and I'll write in inverted commas excellent. Okay, I'll write here excellent. But if that value is not greater than 90, what it should come? Then I want nothing should come. It should be empty. So what I could do, inverted commas, space means with the space bar key, and then inverted commas and bracket closed. Just press enter key. Let's see if our formula is okay. Now just see it is coming. This student has got greater than 90 marks, so excellent is coming. So what I'll do, I'll drag it. I know those who are having mobile, it is a little difficult for them to drag it down. So there can be another method also. Right click, copy. In your mobile you have to see where the copy option is, and then you select it, and then you can paste. So what happened here? Also 92 marks are there, 92.0 marks, so excellent is coming. So I can try somewhere else also. For example, this student, triple F. If I'll increase the marks, 98, just see I'm doing 98, 99, 98, 97. Just see, as I told you that Excel is a software which does calculations automatically, and it recalculates also. So means if any updation is there, it is recalculating. So it has recalculated, and now the remarks is coming excellent. I hope students it is very much clear to you. So what you have to do, you will first type this in your mobile or computer Excel, and then this last time you have done the sum, so you can open the same file also, and then but for the practice what you have to do, you have to better write it again, so that you should be familiar with the formulas. And then now as I have given the remarks, so you have to do it 2 3 times. You can change the number, or 2 3 times you should practice this, then only you will learn how to do this formula. Now the grade, I have to give the grade to the students. For giving the grades to the students, just see here I have written some grades. I made it of my own. This is the grades. What it means, if my student is getting greater than 90, then I should give him A plus. If my student is getting greater than 70, then A. means greater than 70 and less than 90. If student is getting greater than 50, then B. If less than 40, then F. Fail. Then what can I do? Okay, so there is a formula. If formula I will use here also. So the same formula I'll use. See it very carefully. Is equal to is equal to if, just see these steps very carefully. From here only you have to see the difference. If the same H2 greater than 90, then what I want, comma, inverted commas, I have to write here A plus. So I'll write here A plus. Okay, I'll write here A plus. What I'll do, I'll just shift this little bit. Okay, so that it should be clear to you. A plus, then, and you should be seeing it very properly that whenever we are writing anything in between, it should come with inverted commas. These are the inverted commas. Please see. If you're not putting inverted commas, your formula will not be correct. So A plus is coming, then bracket. Now again the condition is that again I'll start if then again bracket. Now second bracket with, actually Excel shows the colors to help us to know that which bracket we are using. Now this is the second bracket. First one is black. The first bracket is black. This second is green. Again H2, because we are using H2, greater than. Now greater than what? Here are the numbers 70. Greater than 70. Then what should happen? Inverted commas. Then A, A. Then again comma. If, again bracket start. Now just check the color of the bracket. It's purple. Again H2 greater than what? 50. Greater than 50. Then comma, inverted commas. What it should appear? B. Then I'll write here B. Again the last if. Again greater than 50, it's B. Or I can add, if it is not 50, then what it should give? No, I'll not go with the give. I'll not go with if. Then if I'll write here inverted commas. It is the else command. Then I'll write here what I have told, F. F. Okay. So now I'll close this. Now it is telling that purple color bracket is closed. Now other bracket green is been closed. Now black is been closed. Let's see whether our formula is right or not. I'll press the enter key. So for the first student, it is telling the right A plus. I'll drag it down. Of course, you can copy. Now just see the formula what I have used. Here it is B. So our formula was telling greater than B but less than 70, then it should be B. So B is coming. 92% A plus, then here A, then 30% F, 98% A plus, then 44 and 29.5 F. So that means our condition is okay. I hope students, you have learned how to use if formula. Okay, please try it again and again. Firstly, you should try this one, remarks, because this is more easier. Only one condition is there. If 90 degree if greater than 90, then it should be excellent. Firstly try this one. If that is clear to you, remarks, then go for the grade. Before going to grade, remarks should be very much clear that how to use the formula if. So I hope students this should be clear, and still if any problem is there, you can send me the query in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so I'm closing this tutorial here only.